So let me talk about Retrieve.com and the fact that I have brand new courses on Retrieve. Now, I have baked goods and dinners and side dishes course on Retrieve. And what it is it's like YouTube. It's like Google search. It's like even social media, basically, because I can actually respond to you if you have a question. Now, when you take one of my courses on Retrieve, either the baking one or the cooking one, first of all, it's an easier way to learn, because you get all this content curated just for you. It's all brought together. It's first of all, another thing I love about it is that it's translated in either English, French, Portuguese, or Spanish. There is a transcript, or you can even do a voiceover, whereby you can choose whichever language that you prefer to listen to me. So you learn, and when you're searching, you're actually searching for, let's say add sugar or add eggs. You're actually taken to the exact point in that recipe whereby I'm adding the sugar. Maybe that's where you literally want to see. Or if you want to watch the whole guide or course, just watch from the beginning to the end. So I mentioned I have 2 courses on the platform, and you can actually take both of them and then get them at a discount, or take either one. You can take the baking one or the cooking one, but I'll go for the deal whereby I get the discount with both. And the most important thing is that, like I said, you can get to ask questions within the platform. Let's say if you're stuck, and I'll come to you and answer you. So with this new way of learning, I hope you learn something, and especially you get to discover more about the content that I actually create, and it will be of benefit to you.